Samsung just unveiled the latest Z series smartphones, including the new Galaxy Z Fold3 5G, and coming to Verizon for the very first time, the new Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Both have foldable designs and take full advantage of Verizon 5G, but each phone has its own set of cool new features. I want to do something special for this year's Samsung Unpacked, so we're going to open up the phone lines and answer the question, are you a flip or are you a fold? You're on with George!
Hey George, it's summer and I want to hit the road, but I need to keep everything at my fingertips. Am I a flip or am I a fold?
Galaxy Z Flip3 can do a lot with a little. In its smaller folded form, you can read notifications and even use Samsung Pay without having to open your phone. It unfolds to reveal this dazzling 6.7-inch display, which is perfect for reading emails, text messages, and watching your favorite movies.
Okay, the flip sounds really handy.
But wait, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold3, which has the screen size you need to keep everything in front of you at the same time. Outside is a 6.2-inch display, but when I want all the screen, all I have to do is open it up and boom! It's a full-featured Android tablet that you can use to edit documents, stream your favorite shows, and play games. Did I mention that the inside camera is hidden under the display, so all you see is the screen?
That's incredible! Look, the flip is really cool and compact, but I need a big screen. I'm most definitely a fold. Thanks, George.
Glad I could help. Who's my next friend?
Hi, George. I'm constantly taking photos and videos of my family. Both of these phones sound awesome. Which one makes more sense for me?
Both feature incredible camera technology, including director's view, great low light capabilities, and single take. Galaxy Z Fold3 comes loaded with 2 selfie cams, one on the front and one hidden inside, and an additional 12 megapixel telephoto camera on the rear so you can zoom 2 times closer.
Oh, I like that.
Now the Galaxy Z Flip3 has fewer cameras, but with flex mode, you can place the phone on just about any surface and it acts like a tripod. You can control it with the palm of your hand or just by saying cheese. Also, the Galaxy Z Flip3 now has a bigger front screen so you can see yourself without opening up the phone. Just click the power button twice and you are ready for selfies.
I'm a selfie girl at heart. The Galaxy Flip 3 fits into my pocket without skimping on camera power. I'm a flip.
Awesome. New caller, who dis?
Hey George, listen, I'm always juggling 10 things at once. Which phone lets me multitask?
Both. With the Galaxy Z Fold3, you can work from anywhere and multitask like a pro. You can drag and drop media, schedule meetings, or pull up multiple files at once. And with the redesigned S Pen, you can jot down notes while on a video call.
Wait, the Galaxy Fold 3 works with the S Pen?
Oh, hell yeah! Not to be outdone, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 lets you launch 2 apps simultaneously with multi-active window, so you can watch a movie while chatting with friends or doom scroll multiple social networks on the same screen at the same time.
Oh, I am a huge fan of the S Pen. Have I ever told you about the time I was trapped on an oil rig with nothing?
Dave? Dave? We lost Dave, guys. Is there something wrong?
Hi, George.
Is that Samsung superfan Kelsey Peterson?
Oh my gosh, what a year. I'm here for everything Samsung has coming to Verizon. We've got the new Buds 2, lightweight and more comfortable than ever. The Galaxy Watch 4, both classic and regular versions. The Galaxy Book Go 5G PC. And the Galaxy Chromebook Go, Chromebook right there. We even have a brand new tablet, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE 5G, with optional accessory keyboard and the included S Pen. George, did I mention there are 2 different watches?
Yes, you did, but we're talking about phones today. So, Kelsey, let's find out, are you a flip or are you a fold?
How dare you? I can't choose between my children.
Look, you don't have to choose if you want both. For a limited time, buy a Galaxy Z Fold3 and get a Galaxy Z Flip3 on us with select unlimited plans. Visit Verizon.com today to check out all our great offers or to order your new Galaxy Z series phone.